Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Le Robinet d'Or. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Le Robinet d'Or, located in Paris, this former 1930s tap factory now functions as a hotel. It is a 12-minute walk from Gare du Nord train station, and free services include a concierge, luggage storage, Wi-Fi access, ironing facilities, room service and a 24-hour reception. All air-conditioned and soundproofed rooms at Le Robinet d'Or have a wooden floor, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, tea and coffee making facilities and an iPod docking station. The ensuite bathroom includes free luxury toiletries, a hairdryer and magnifying mirrors. A buffet breakfast is served every morning on the patio or directly in your room. The hotel's restaurant offers a la carte dining with traditional dishes. The Canal Saint-Martin is 50 yards away. Gare de l'Est train station is a 7-minute walk away from the hotel. Additional features include a valet, bottles of cold water, newspapers and magazines and a safety deposit box. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.